Okay, what we have here is a 2021 SSR, a little 125 pit bike, fully automatic. Just twist and go. No need to shift gears, but it does have regular back brake and the front brake. And so I got this for my daughter to learn how to ride on. I bought her an XT250 and that was a bit too big. And I got her this. Turns out she doesn't really like riding too much, but it's the little nice to have for friends, with kids, family. I've got some nieces and nephews down from Wisconsin and North Carolina that are down. So hopefully they'll be able to enjoy it. Now I'm not gonna just let them ride in the backyard. Riding in the backyard is not so good. It's been a real bad drought here in Texas. You can see my grass is, get a little bit of green close to the house and close to the fences under that sidecar that I hope to get restored someday. Otherwise, the middle of the yard, it's just absolutely scorched. And we water it too. But it's been so hot, I think the roots just get cooked. Anyway, it's a fun little thing, I would think. They can have fun without getting themselves in too much trouble. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Mark, if you're watching this, here it is all ready for you, buddy. Later.